In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change phone number in T-Mobile. First, go to Google Chrome and search www.tmobile.com. Then you can see this page. Then follow step by step. First, with Scam Shield, T-Mobile offers one free mobile number change per year per line. Additional number changes will be charged $15. Changing your number deletes all voicemails messages. For detailed step-to-step up a new voicemail box, visit our voicemail page. Phone number changes can take up to 4 hours to complete. Caller ID systems for landline carrier can take up to 3 days to show the correct calling information. Update your contact number on any accounts that may have your number saved, such as notifications for bank accounts, social media, etc. It may take up to 3 days to have access to sign into your account on tmobile.com using your new number. Call records for the old phone number will no longer be available on tmobile.com. T-Mobile holds all numbers for a minimum of 45 days and up to 90 days, at which time the number will be available for reuse. That's how you can change phone number in T-Mobile.